Ah, everything looks perfect, bright, beautiful, just how it should be, right? Well, it wasn't always like this. There were some dark times in this house, literally. Times when not having natural light meant our home just didn't look its best. Times when, frankly, it meant we didn't look our best.
Love the shoes, honey.
And there were times when we couldn't even see our best.
Mom, my eyes hurt.
What a whiner. We just had to do something to brighten this place up. Then some friends told us about tubular daylighting from Solatube. Tubular? Dude, what's that? Well, turns out it's genius. Yeah, look up. That's no electric light fixture. That's natural sunlight brought into the house through technology so advanced, I need an engineer to explain it.
First, a dome on our roof captures sunlight, even when it's low in the sky or if it's cloudy. That part's like magic. Then, the light moves through a tube that's made of the world's most reflective material.
Sweetie, are you making things up again?
I'm not. It even takes crazy turns so it can go around stuff in the attic. Then the light comes through pretty fixtures in the ceiling and makes the whole room look great.
Thanks, honey. Can you go explain climate change to your dad now? We're serious about green solutions, and Solatube is one of them. So you can bring beautiful natural light into your home without changing its structure right now. Solatube's premier dealers can install in under 2 hours, and you can even get a federal tax credit. Does any of this not sound great? Call now, and one of these guys will come out for a free consultation. They'll guide you to the best daylighting design for your home, and they can even install the same day. Okay, get going. Call now. You'll thank me. Seriously.